7 Secret Signs a Woman Wants You to Make a Move. Welcome to Grandma's Wise Advice. Have you ever been around a woman and wondered if she's subtly encouraging you to take the next step? The truth is, women often communicate their interest in ways that aren't always obvious. Many men miss these cues simply because they don't know what to look for. Instead of openly stating their attraction, women rely on nonverbal signals, body language, and subtle hints. If you've ever hesitated or doubted yourself in these situations, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 7 secret signs that indicate a woman wants you to make a move. Understanding these cues can be a game changer. Why? Because most women won't just come out and say, "Hey, I like you. Do something about it." Instead, they expect you to pick up on the hints and respond accordingly. But here's the tricky part. While women appreciate men who can read the room, they also value respect and emotional intelligence. Misinterpreting a situation can backfire, making it essential to recognize these signs with confidence while maintaining boundaries. Once you learn to spot these subtle indicators, you'll stop second-guessing yourself and naturally approach interactions with certainty and ease. So, let's dive in. Sign number 1. She finds ways to be close to you. If a woman is interested in you, she will often create opportunities to be in your personal space. This isn't by chance, it's intentional. Whether she stands next to you at a social event or chooses the seat closest to you in a room full of options, she's subtly signaling her interest. Pay attention to how often she ends up near you. Does she frequently pass by you, even when it isn't necessary? Does she lean in when talking, even when she doesn't need to? These small but deliberate movements indicate that she's trying to establish physical closeness, hoping you'll take notice and make the next move. Sign number 2. She mirrors your body language. Mirroring is a subconscious behavior where someone mimics the actions of a person they're attracted to. It's a way of creating a connection without using words. If you notice a woman crossing her legs right after you do or leaning in when you lean in, she might be signaling her attraction. Mirroring goes beyond body posture. It can include speech patterns, tone, or even energy levels. If she matches your enthusiasm or slows down her speech when you do, it's a sign that she feels a connection. These subtle cues may seem small, but they're powerful indicators of interest. Sign number 3. She initiates playful physical touch. Touch is one of the most powerful ways humans express attraction. If a woman finds small, casual reasons to touch you, like playfully tapping your arm when laughing or brushing something off your shoulder, she's likely interested. These touches might start subtly, but they're deliberate. She might adjust your tie, fix a crease on your shirt, or lightly place her hand on your back while walking past you. These aren't random gestures, they're tests to see how you respond while keeping the interaction fun and light. Sign number 4. She gives you prolonged eye contact. They say the eyes don't lie, and when a woman is interested, her gaze will reveal more than words ever could. If she holds eye contact with you longer than what's typical in casual conversation, she's signaling attraction. Romantic eye contact isn't just about staring, it's about engagement. If her eyes linger on yours, if she pairs her gaze with a smile, or if she tilts her head slightly, she's subtly inviting you to connect on a deeper level. Sign number 5. She laughs at your jokes, even the bad ones. Humor is one of the strongest forms of connection. If a woman laughs at your jokes, even the ones that aren't objectively funny, it's a strong indicator that she enjoys being around you. Genuine laughter is different from polite chuckles. If she laughs wholeheartedly, leans in, or even lightly touches you while laughing, she's making an effort to build rapport. Women often use humor as a bonding tool, so pay attention to how she engages with you in these moments. Sign number 6. She asks you personal questions. When a woman is interested, she won't just stick to surface-level conversation. She'll want to learn more about you, your interests, your passions, and your future plans. A great indicator of her interest is when she remembers details from past conversations. If she brings up something you mentioned days or even weeks ago, it's a strong sign she's been paying attention. This level of engagement shows that she values what you say and is interested in forming a deeper connection. Instead of casual small talk, she's creating opportunities for meaningful discussions, an open door for you to step through. Sign number 7. She compliments you and notices small details. Another key sign is that she compliments you in a way that goes beyond the usual politeness. Instead of a generic, "You look nice," she might say something more thoughtful, like, "I love how passionate you are about what you do," or, "You always have the best perspective on things." These specific compliments indicate that she's truly noticing you, appreciating your qualities, and subtly encouraging you to reciprocate her interest. Pay attention to these moments because they're rarely accidental. She's giving you a green light. How to respond to these signs? Recognizing these signs is crucial, but knowing how to respond is just as important. The key is to stay confident, yet respectful. Don't overthink it. If she's showing interest, engage with her naturally. Confidence is attractive, but pushing too hard or assuming too much can backfire. If she's dropping hints, reciprocate with subtle actions of your own. Maintain good eye contact, mirror her energy, and if she touches you playfully, respond with warmth. Keep things light, fun, and engaging. Avoid misinterpreting friendliness as romantic interest. Context matters. Is she treating you differently from others? Is she going out of her way to interact with you? Being aware of these distinctions will help you navigate situations without awkwardness or missteps. Final thoughts. Recognizing these signs is crucial for building meaningful connections and ensuring you don't overlook potential opportunities. From body language and playful touches to prolonged eye contact and personal conversations, these cues offer valuable insight into her feelings. The key is to stay observant, confident, and respectful, without overanalyzing every interaction. Now, it's time to apply what you've learned. Pay attention to how women communicate their interest, trust your instincts, and don't be afraid to take action when the moment feels right. Attraction is about connection, and connection starts with awareness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more relationship insights. Let us know in the comments which sign surprised you the most, and check out the resources in the description to level up your confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.